place. Oh, it's sticky newer renovation on the inside. Wow. Okay, wait, these are quick. This is a neat building. I don't know what these were originally. Oh, look. See, yeah, these were Montgomery before. That's an MAC door operator, I'm pretty sure. It's a bug on me. Shoot, bug. Oh, these were honking. Yeah, these were honking because look, that's where the door panel was, or the auxiliary car panel for the was on the door frame. That answers that. Yeah, that is a Houghton door frame.
Okay, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
5?
5. Yeah.
Thanks.
No problem.
No, you're good. I'll be quiet.
No, I don't care. I just don't want to make nobody. I don't want to weird people out. You guys have a good one.
Yeah, you have a good night.
I say I don't want to weird people out, and then I don't explain myself whatsoever. Anyway, that's it.